So, yo, what's up Mungang? This is Edmond Chavez Vlogs. So, may bigay ako sa inyong update. Like sa amin kasi Mungang, yung TRC ko, mag-expired na siya today. May, May 12. So, last week, this past 2 weeks, last month, pumunta kami sa immigration. Then nagkuhan kami, tawag nito, nag-biometric na kami. Biometric, then picture, ganun. Then bali makukuha namin yung yung TRC after 2 months or 3. So expired yung namin, yung TRC namin, May 12. So mag-i-expire today, May 12. So yung ginawa Mungang, kami kanina kasama yung mga katrabaho ko, yung mga kabatch ko, 7 kami. Pumunta kami sa immigration. Then nagbigay sila ng temporary TRC, good for 1 month. Then while waiting sa TRC namin, kasi it takes 2 months to usually 2 months to 3 months siya bago ma-release yung the new TRC. So yun lang man hanggang. So hindi ako naman syempre happy kasi yun nga, sa maraming issue ngayon about ganun sa ganyan nangyari sa pamamalakad ng bagong Prime Minister, pero positive pa rin. Positive pa rin ako, hindi naman laging nagdadasal, ina-enjoy ko every moment. I love my job, ganun hanggang ganun lang. Then it's coming next week, it's coming May, I think it's May 23, I will be with my friends. Yung lagi nyo nakikita sa vlog, si Del, si Regina, si Richard, si Judith, I will be with them on May 23. So I think I will spend my vacation there for I think maybe 3 days. I will be in Budapest for 3 days. So hang out kasama sila. Then kasi yung mga kaibigan ko, malaking pasalamat ko na naging kaibigan ko. Kasi yun lang, kailangan natin ng kaibigan lalo nandito tayo sa abroad. Kailangan natin ng mga sasandalan sa mga problema, mga ganyan. Sila yung naging close ko talaga Mungang. Kasi hindi naman lahat i-share natin sa magulang natin, sa magulang natin, dahil sa mga kaibigan. Super close ko yung apat na yon. Doon, excited na rin ako. It's coming May 23. May 23 talaga Mungang kuhan yan, holiday. Then ito Mungang yung vlog ko na to. Kwentuhan lang tayo. Then, yun Mungang. We're still waiting for June 1. But I am positive. I'm positive Mungang. No? I'm always positive about my whatever would be the situation. I'm always positive. I didn't even think negative, you know. That is the Filipino culture thing that, you know, even if like we have a lot of problems, but you know, we always see the positive ways. We don't focus about the negative thinking. So that's it. Always pray to the God, doing the right thing. Yun lang naman eh. Sa abroad, 2 years na ako dito sa abroad. Then yun lang, masaya naman ako, marami akong natutunan sa buhay, no? Lahat minsan kasi mahirap, pero kaya naman, may times na mahirap pero kakayanin. Yun lang yun. Kaya lang naman. So, nag-hi yung the neighbor, say hi. Siyempre hi din tayo. Yun lang naman Mungang. Then so maybe next year, January, it will be my 3 years. So, I'm still, still thinking positive. I love working here in Hungary together with my friends. Yun lang Mungang. Dati nung remember ko pa, nag-a-apply ako dito, wala akong kaibigan eh. Wala akong, as in, galing ako ng Davao. Punta ako ng Manila, nag-a-apply ako. So, yun lang, kuan lang, tawag nitong hanggang sa meron akong naging kaibigan sa mga kasamahan ko nag-apply. So, kaya talaga, ako lang talaga mag-isa. Ganun lang lang. Kaya, yung mga nasa Pilipinas na nag-a-apply pa Hungary, pagdasal lang natin na maging okay yung situation, no? Kasi kami rin dito na nasa Hungary, kuan din. May times na kuan din, pag-aalinlangan, pero positive pa rin. Dasal tayo sa Panginoon, yun lang naman yung kinakapitan natin Mungang. And Mungang, kung may mga tanong kayo, mag-comment na dito sa YouTube Kasi I think it's been 11 days that I didn't upload videos here in YouTube. I think it's been a long time, so but I love doing vlogs, you know. If you're gonna ask me why I'm always doing vlogs, because it's because of the memory, you know. Now I'm 27 years old. When time will come that I will have my own family, I will have my own family. So I will just look back to the YouTube that in the year when I was 22, when I was 20, when I was 26, this is the thing that I did. I was an OFW in Hungary for how many years, and I remember these days. Yun lang naman Mungang yung memories. That's why I love doing vlog, and I love also to help some of the Filipinos that, you know, to give them idea, especially in interview. It's not perfect. I'm not that smart. I'm not that kind of smart person, but you know, I just give some tips and advice, just to help my co-Filipinos, to pass the interview. That's it. Being positive at all times. Problems is always there. Even if you're in the Philippines, you're applying, problems are a lot. When you come here in Hungary, working, problems is always there. But problem is like we just think positive, and we will use the problems as motivation. Always turn the negative situation into positive. You know, that's it. We need to, some of the people, they are just like, worry about the things that didn't happen yet. But we should, like, enjoy life. Life is too short. We should not be stressed. We should not think about negative that what will happen in the future. Just now, think about now. That's it. And for those people that are watching this vlog, thank you so much. And for those people that haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edmond Chavez Vlog. I have also TikTok, Edmond Chavez Vlogs, and Facebook, Edmond Chavez Vlogs 2.0, Instagram, Edmond Chavez Vlogs. And thank you for watching, and God bless you always. Bye bye.